Yo, what's up guys? What's up? It's Maki Guitar. I'm here with a new lesson for today. Okay? I'm new with the new lesson for today. So, please, if it's the first time watching my video, I would like you to subscribe on the subscribe button. Hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. Because I'm going to drop good video. I'm going to drop interesting video, okay, on this channel. And please don't forget to drop a comment down below. Drop a comment. Anything that is a challenge, drop a comment down below, okay? Then I will give you the answer. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I just want to go straight to the lesson for today. You know, actually I'm coming up with a series of videos, series of lessons that are going to help you and enhance your playing, okay? So stay tuned to this channel and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, so for today I want to come in with 7 scales that actually make my soloing awesome. Yes, I know most of you have been watching my video. You like the way I solo, you like the way I improvise on my chord progressions. Yeah. So today I want to come in with 7 scales that actually make my soloing awesome. Each and every time I solo. Guys, you don't need to miss it. This is amazing. This is something that's going to blow your mind. Seriously. I want you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. It's not going to long. It's going to be a short video, but I want you to notice 7 scales that actually always make my soloing. Alright, so the number 1 scale I want to show you is the pentatonic scale. I know we know the pentatonic scale. Everybody knows the pentatonic scales, and the pentatonic scale has been an awesome scale so far for every guitarist. Okay, it has been an awesome scale for every guitarist. So for today, I want to do this lesson in the key of D. Okay. So the pentatonic scale, we all know the pentatonic scale is the do, la, si, okay, do, la, so, mi, re, do, okay, okay, okay. It's very simple. Your do, la, because this is the key of D. Okay, this is the key of D. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, mi, do, re, fa, sol. Okay, so from the normal major scale, you take out the pentatonic, which is the 5 notes. Okay, your do, your la, your sol, your mi, and re. Okay, which is the do again. Okay, so this is one of the scale. This is one of the scale that I've been making my solo awesome, depending on how I visit it. So in the next video, I will show you how I'm applying them to make my solo awesome. But for today, I want you to know the scales and know them for yourself. Okay, that is the number 1 scale. All right, so the number 2 scale I want to show you is the minor pentatonic. The minor pentatonic, it has been an amazing scale that has been very good on my playing. I've been applying them on my playing. Okay, it has been sounding nice on my soloing. So the number 2 scale is a minor pentatonic, which is the your do, mo, fa, fi, sol, do, do, sol, fa, mi, sol, fi, fa, mo, do. This is the one, the flat 10, go to your 4 notes, which is the va, then go to your flat 5th, which is your fi, then go to sol, which is your 5th note, then go to mi, to 7th, your flat 7th, which is the do, flat 7th, which is the do. Now go to the 1 note again, the do, okay, your do, mo, fa, fi, sol, do, do. Okay, interval. Okay? So that is the number 2 scale that has been amazing, that has been awesome whenever I solo. Okay? So the number 3 scale is the Maxillonian Scale. That one I'm taking it out from the 7 mood of scale of music. I believe you guys understand mood. I'm taking it out from the mood. So for those that understand mood when it comes to scale, when it comes to music, you should understand the word Maxillonian. Okay? So this is the scale I normally play. The Maxillonian is the fifth note there. It's the fifth note there. Okay? The Maxillonian is the fifth note. So it starts from the saw. Okay? Okay, so the fifth note there starts from the saw. So, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay? So, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re. Okay? So that is the third scale there. The fourth scale there I'm going to show you is the Freudian scale. The Freudian scale. The Freudian scale is the number 2 mood of music, which is the re. Freudian scale there is the re. So I'm going to show you how to play re. You know, re is a minor note. So when you're playing it, you play in the minor way. Okay, play the minor way. Like for instance, this is we are in the key of D. Okay, you are in the key of D. So if you are playing your re, you are playing from the re. This is your re now. It's in the key of E. Okay, so when you are playing it, you can play it from a minor shape. Okay. Okay, which that is if you want to check it, that is the re, mi, fa, sol, la, do, re, re, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa. Okay, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Okay, but if in the number system, if you want to play it in keys, this is the do, re, mo, fa, mi, fa, sol, do, do. Okay? Okay? So that is the number 4 scale. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the complete scale. Then we go into the practical aspect of it. We go into how you can apply them in your playing. Okay? Show you how you can apply them in your playing. So watch this video and please, like I said, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. Okay, so you don't miss any of my video each and every time I upload a video. Okay, thanks for watching and make sure you drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys, always stay tuned as we move into the next video. Okay, in the next video I'm going to show you the practical aspect of it, how you can apply them in each of your songs and how you can apply them in the praise and the worship section. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I love you. Bye.